This is a video of connecting your trackless sweeper to your trackless. And first thing we're going to do is uncrate it. Once you have your trackless sweeper uncrated, you want to remove your manual. Very good thing to hang on to. It's got all your parts, operation, connections, everything in it. Now we're going to hook onto the sweeper. When hooking onto your sweeper, make sure you got the tractor in PTO work mode. Makes it a lot easier to control. You're not revving it up. It's just easier to swap out and hook on attachments. Once you're into your push frame, float your attachments, the couplers that you're going to be hooking onto. Once it's uncrated, you've pulled your trackless unit into your sweeper and you've hooked your lift latches. Once your lift latches are locked in, both sides, so you can't reopen, you can do your top link. When you extend this out, make sure you keep it even. Don't unwind it more on one side than the other. Then use a drift punch to wind it up, to pull your sweeper up tight to the bottom of the frame of the tractor. Then wind this little lock up. This will keep your top link from loosening off on you while you're working your sweeper. Then you're going to hook up your hydraulics. There. You got your red and your black. Look at the front of your tractor. Go to your red and your black. And your red to red. Now to lift it, you have your green. Some have yellow. For hooking onto MT5s, MT6 and 7s, you hook onto the green and black. Make sure you have your couplers on float, on your tractor on float. Then it makes it easier to hook up your hydraulics. We got the red on, now we got the green. And the black for the green. Now your motor spool will hook on to your extra pump, which is on the other side of the tractor. Your sweeper is connected. Pick up your legs that you're able to pick up now. This one's already up. Now we can start the tractor and pick up the front legs. Now that we're all connected, put your seatbelt on and we can go sweep.